your cooperation.
This is Runoff Rapids here at Blizzard Beach. This location is at Disney World in Orlando, Florida. Looks like everyone's going down the water slide. Oh my God. There they go. We're on the red slope. So to the left is the purple slope. Downhill, double dipper, snowstormers, and toboggan racers. You can see all the way up is those tubes. Oh my God! Oh, that lady went down the slide. Now to the right is Lazy River. I went to that big giant one. There's water running on those 3 water slides. Oh my God. The directory for Blizzard Beach is that one. The lady went down that water slide. So those water slides, look, they have a lot of water here at Blizzard Beach. And so I gotta get moving and go to the big giant one here. So that's about it. Bye.